Girl's gonna show up to Christmas like, what's up? With my lips tinted. Yes, ma'am. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's the day I have for you. It is the first day of November 2018 box week. That was a really loud clap. As you can see, I was startled by myself. So, hi, welcome. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the one week every month me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. So you're catching us on day 1, the best day, because it's the first day. And so basically all it is excitement, just like when I was like, all it is we open up all my subscription boxes together. We spend every day together for 7 days. It's a lot of fun. So if you're not in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so for the first day of November box week, we're kicking it off with one of the absolute favorites on my YouTube channel, and we are going to be opening up the Ipsy subscription. So Ipsy is a $10 monthly subscription service. They send you 5 products every month and a new makeup bag every single month. Basically, it's curated to your preferences, makeup abilities, adventurousness, which I don't even, is that a word? Adventurousness? I don't know. Hair color, skin tone, all that kind of fun stuff. We are going to be starting a brand new stockpile today. So if you're like, what's that? So this box is empty. I'm setting it off to the side so it could irritate you just being there all night with nothing in it. Basically what I started doing a few months ago, I think it's going to be our 5th one that we're doing. Jeez, we've done a lot of these. Essentially what it is, we take items that I get my subscription boxes. I keep some items for myself. I put some in the box, and once the box is full, I give it away. So I'm hoping that maybe we can get it this month and next month and do a really big one for right before Christmas. What do you guys think? That sounds like it could be really awesome. So anyways, today we're opening up Ipsy. I'm gonna get into it. I'm really pumped about this. Like, honestly, box week is the best. I love that we're going to be having box week during a holiday week. So like during Thanksgiving, so I feel like that's gonna be really fun and exciting. Okay, so this month's bag is, I can't tell if that's purple or blue. Like the lights are really bright in here. I think it's like a blurple, a blue purple. I don't know. So this is this month's bag. It's like a weird fabric. It's like sturdy. So it's not normal like cloth type bag. So that's interesting. All right, opening it up, going inside here. The first thing that we got is Ink Velvet Lip Tint from Para. So we're gonna have to open this up because I don't know what I'm looking at right now, and I want to get in here. Okay, I think I'm going about this the wrong way. This whole box. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so it's this little bottle thing here. What's going on? I'm nervous. I feel like this is gonna just like bleed paint all over me. Like, I'm a little bit concerned. Okay, well, that was kind of all right. Look at that. It's just normal, man. They really got me with that packaging. Like, I was like, what is it? What is it? And they were like, it's just a normal lipstick. We just put it in cool packaging. And I was like, well, okay. So this is the swatch on my hand. Ooh, that's a sexy red. Okay, girl. Girl's gonna show up to Christmas like, what's up? With my lips tinted. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this color, what's this called? This color is called Love Sniper Red. Girl, stop. You need to stop. Okay. Alrighty. We can work with this. Alright, so hopefully my hand is not permanently stained. I should have thought about that. But I already went for it, so too bad. Alright, the next item that we have is Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Miracle Treatment Intense Moisture to Defrizz Curls. So this is a intense moisturizing treatment to defrizz curly hair. You know what? I'm actually gonna put this in the giveaway box. Let's start off things with a hair product, especially something for curly girls. I feel like curly girl hair a lot of times is so underrated for products, especially in like subscription boxes. So we're gonna put this in the giveaway box, our first item of the next big stockpile giveaway. All right, the next item in here is Latty Blush Crush Zac Powder Blusher. Okay. Let's open it up so we can see what this even looks like. All right, so it looks like it might be, if I can get it out. Okay, first of all, that's the box. I'm doing a really bad job of showing you guys what stuff looks like. I'm sorry about that. I'm just kind of like in my own little zone right now. Oh my God, look at that blush. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my God, that's pretty. Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna swatch this because I feel like we need to know what this color looks like because it's just like real pretty. Like, oh my God. I hope I don't drop it on myself. That's just kind of worth it. Almost dropped it. It literally like slid out of there and then I caught it. Okay, I'm gonna just swatch a little bit, close it back up, and that is what it looks like. Oh my God, that is pretty. Okay, so this is called Zac. I'm gonna say it's for like Zac Efron because like who else would you make a sexy blush after besides Zac Efron? So that's there. I think that is so gorgeous. I can't wait to wear that. That's like a really, really phenomenal fall blush tone, so I'm really happy with that. So far I'm like in love with this bag, if you can't tell. Next thing that we have is nude eyeshadow from the Balm. Trying to get this open to show you what it looks like. I'm dropping everything. This is concerning. I don't even want, oh, but in the shade Brave. Okay, hold on here. Look at that. Look at that shade there. It's like a dark, like purpley color eyeshadow. Okay, so that's definitely going in the giveaway box because I actually have like stuff this color. So that is a full-size eyeshadow that's going in the giveaway box. That is really nice too. They've done a really, really impressive job this month, I have to say. And finally, we have Skin Iceland Brightening Eye Serum. Oh my gosh, I seriously just saw something from Skin Iceland that I wanted to try. Skin Iceland has amazing under eye gel treatment, so I'm really excited to try this. They're one of my favorites for under eye gel treatments. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. Oh, there's not very much in here. Dang, that's always a bummer. It's an under eye serum, so that's kind of interesting. It has like a really weird, like, it's very, I don't want to say watery, but it's, oh, it's like cold. Okay, ooh, it's got a strong smell though. I've got mixed feelings now. I've got a lot of mixed feelings. If you can't tell, I was like, ooh, ah, oh, ah. So it's kind of cooling to the touch. There's not a lot in here, and it definitely has like a very like watery feeling to it, like very like soft and gentle. So I think that's everything that we got inside of our bag. There's like a little card. I don't feel like we need to get into that. So to quickly recap, we got the Skin Iceland Brightening Eye Serum, which I'm excited to try that because like I said, Skin Iceland makes really, really fantastic under eye patches. We got the Nude Beach eyeshadow from the Balm in the shade, I think it was called Brave. Yes, in the shade Brave, which is this really dark, sexy color. That is going into our giveaway box. We got this really cute little bag here that's like a purple blue. I said blurple, which doesn't really sound very cute, but that's kind of what it is, with hearts on it. I'm actually gonna put that in the giveaway box because I've gotten a lot of bags recently and I'm kind of set on bags. We got the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Hair Moisture Treatment, which honestly, I feel like you could probably use this in straight hair too. It just depends on like your hair capacity. We got the Blush Crush from Zac, which is right there on me. And then we also got this weird ink velvet lipstick in the shade Love Sniper Red, which is right there. So really happy with what I got for $10. If you want to sign up for Ipsy yourself, I'll actually put a referral code down below in the description box. You can click that and sign up for Ipsy and check it out for yourself. Otherwise, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because you're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of November Box Week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Do it. Oh my God, it looks so good. Oh my God, my lips. Oh my God, my lips. I just got it on my chin. I don't even care. I'm gonna live in this. This is gonna be